sprouts are in my top list of foods I like. Here's a weird fact about me. Once in one of those getting to know you icebreakers, I was asked what foods would you take with you on a deserted island. I answered Brussels sprouts. I don't know, they're delicious. I spoke my truth. Brussels sprouts have been gaining popularity and they're popping up in menus in restaurants all around the country. There are so many ways you can have them prepared. If you haven't tried them in a while and all you remember are those colorless, mushy, boiled, or steamed Brussels sprouts, let me reintroduce you to Brussels sprouts. Try them roasted. Roasted Brussels sprouts will blow your mind. Today, I'm going to make roasted Brussels sprouts with the balsamic vinegar and honey. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Trim your Brussels sprouts by removing any loose layers of leaves and trimming the bottoms of the stems off. Split the Brussels sprouts in half through the stem. Now they are ready to be seasoned. Toss Brussels sprouts in olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Place Brussels sprouts cut size down on the baking sheet and heat for about 20 to 25 minutes, stirring halfway through. While the Brussels sprouts are roasting, combine balsamic vinegar and honey in a bowl. Once your Brussels sprouts have finished roasting, toss in the bowl with the vinegar-honey mixture and your Brussels sprouts are ready to serve. Now you have a tart, tangy, and sweet side dish. Your reintroduction to Brussels sprouts is complete. Let me tell you that your last bite will be even better than your first. For more tips and recipes and entertaining ideas, check out my website, biteswithapplewhite.com. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss an episode.